Here's another really fun one here, you guys. Look what's over here in this corner. This is an Europäische series, European 944 Turbo Cup car. So they started doing this series in 1986 through 89, and this is a lightweight, chipped, specially equipped 944 turbo. You can see probably, I'm not sure, the wheels. They're slightly different hue than the aluminum alloy ones. That's because they're made out of magnesium. They're paperweight. They're just paper light. Real nice graphics on this car too. It's simple but really well coordinated. I think it looks nice. You can see that they put this car away. Didn't restore it. See all the stone chips in there? They just put the car away after they finished racing it, and it's part of the museum now. So no hood crest on there. The special pins, you can see these same really rare pins on the Rothman's Canadian Turbo Cup Series cars as well. Blaupunk Series sponsor. It looks just like a 944 Turbo off the street pretty much, except for a few details. So super fun. I'm still looking for some of the posters in this series, but fun stuff, man. Shell sponsored too. Look at this logo right here, Turbo Cup. Note the little tiny mirrors too off the Carrera GT on the sides. They're little tiny manual mirrors. So that's another hallmark. Those and the magnesium wheels of the Turbo Cup Series cars. Here's a little 924 rest of world plaid interior. Looks like a pretty early car. This is a 1976. It says on the placard right there. And then here's a 928. Design study station wagon, and behind that I have some other pictures of the 968 Club Sport. So that's a pretty fancy special model too. If you like 968s too, yeah. See what else we can find.